We are often told that inflation is a general rise in prices, that when the money supply increases, everyone is affected equally. But that's a myth. In reality, money doesn't enter the economy like a mist that covers everyone at once. It enters like an injection at a specific point, and the closer you are to that point, the wealthier you become. This is known as the Cantillon Effect. At WealthLogic, we provide the in-depth analysis you need to navigate the financial world with confidence. Today we're looking at why the first people to touch new money get rich, while everyone else is left paying the bill. Named after 18th century economist Richard Cantillon, this principle explains that the order in which money is distributed matters just as much as the amount. When a central bank increases the money supply, that new money doesn't go into your savings account first. It goes to the government and the big banks. These early receivers get to spend that new money while prices are still low. They buy up assets like real estate and stocks at yesterday's prices. By the time that money filters down to the average consumer, prices for food, rent, and fuel have already risen to reflect the new supply. This is a subtle, invisible tax on the late receivers, the savers, and the wage earners. We saw this play out vividly during events like the 2008 financial crisis. While the general public waited for relief, billions were funneled into the financial system to maintain liquidity. This cheap money fueled a massive surge in asset prices. As we've explored in our previous analyses of market bubbles, when the people closest to the money use it to buy stocks and real estate, it creates an accumulative advantage. They get the growth, you get the inflation. This is why, despite a growing economy, many people feel they are falling behind. They are playing a game where the vital few get to start while the prices are low, and the rest are forced to buy in at the peak. So how do you protect your wealth in a system governed by the Cantillon Effect? First, you must strive to be an asset owner. Late receivers hold cash. Early receivers hold assets. To stay ahead of the curve, focus on owning stocks, real estate, or businesses that benefit from a rising money supply. Second, understand the role of debt. In an inflationary system, those who can borrow at low rates to buy appreciating assets are essentially using the Cantillon effect to their advantage. Finally, stay informed. Watch the economic trends of the central banks. When liquidity is high, asset prices will move first. The Cantillon effect proves that money is not neutral. It is a tool that rewards those who understand its flow. By recognizing these hidden forces, you can stop reacting to the market and start navigating the financial world with confidence. For more expert opinions and clear, concise content on the global markets, subscribe to WealthLogic. Stay informed, stay ahead.